Okay, so I didn't realize that the battery for my mic had already died, so you got a silent weekly setup in this Stalogy. I did show you last week and where I was with that, but this is this week, the 14th through the 20th. I used washi tape from Simply Gilded, and the dolls and the journaling squares are from Isis Ella Jewels. I have a special discount link for Simply Gilded in the description box below, and the link and the coupon code for Isis Ella Jewels is in the description box below. The today stickers, you saw the sheet with today, to do, this week, next week, that is available to patron elites. St. Patrick's Day sticker is from CHELA Plan, and the clover is from CHELA Creates. I have a discount code in the description box below for CHELA Creates. I drew these flowers when I was testing out some alcohol ink markers. The digital for this is available to patrons, I believe. The days of the week and the dates are also available to patrons. And as you saw, I used the Tombow markers to kind of pull all of it together. Oh, and this mechanic doll is from JD in Brooklyn. I don't think they're open anymore, but yeah, that's where I got that from. So that is it. I'm sorry there's no audio for this video for the actual setup, but yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.